What's up, guys? It's your old pal Deluxe Chimp, and in today's video I'm doing a little maintenance on my number one, my 2008 Harley-Davidson XL 883L. Technically I'm doing some preventative maintenance. What I'm doing is I'm wiring in a battery tender to keep my battery maintained while I'm not riding. Now, these battery tenders are a nice little piece of kit to have. They keep your battery fresh in between rides, and they help keep your battery longer, meaning you won't be replacing batteries so often. If you look at the price of a battery tender versus the price of a new battery, you'll see what I'm talking about. A new motorcycle battery is going to cost you over $100. And if you don't install it yourself, it's going to cost you even more. The cost of the battery tender, I could find them for about $25, battery tender brand. Now, Harley-Davidson, they have their own battery tender. It's just that it has the Harley-Davidson logo on it. But don't be fooled. It's just a regular old battery tender with their sticker on it. Don't fall for the upshot. Don't spend $50 on something you can get for half of that price. The installation for a battery tender is fairly simple. Basically, for the Sportsters, all you're going to do, you're going to take off your seat, you're going to take off your side panel that covers your battery, pull the battery out, take the battery terminals off, wire in the battery tender, reconnect the terminals. That's about it. They're not hard to do. Altogether, goofing around, taking my sweet time, I think altogether this was about a 30-minute process. But we'll go ahead and we'll fast forward through this whole thing because it's not too exciting. Now, I think today's video is kind of a metaphor. At least it is for me, about keeping the batteries charged. Because, for me lately, I've been feeling pretty run down. I just got back off of vacation, and I did a lot of thinking while I was out of town. I thought about my health. I thought about my career. I thought about riding. I thought about where I want to be down the road here and what I want to be doing with the rest of my life. You know, I thought about my moto vlog, and I thought a lot about relaxing. And what I'm getting at is I'm thinking about taking off some time. Now, I don't want to stop moto vlogging altogether, but I also don't want to stick to a schedule of a video a week. I'm thinking something like more of a video a month, but in doing these videos, something that has a little more story behind it, more than just a ride or, you know, something insignificant. Maybe something with like a history background behind it might be where I'm heading. But at any rate, I'm gonna dial back the release days of my videos, and that will definitely give me more time to myself, more time to relax. And the reason why I'm not worried again is because I was never doing this for the numbers. I was never trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and to be monetized. If that's your thing, hey, great. All the power to you. To me, that sounds like work, and I already have a job, so I'm not inclined, you know, to push any harder than really what I want to be pushing for. So again, that's why I'm dialing back to a video a month. But Before that starts up, I'm taking some time to myself. Again, just want to kick back, relax. That's where I'm at. I'll still be on Instagram, posting up my silly pictures of motorcycles and whatever else. There just won't be a video every week. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with stepping back and regrouping, and maybe something better will come out of it. We'll just have to wait and see. As you can see, it was a fairly simple process wiring in the battery tender. Basically 2 tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a spanner. The only real reason why I used the zip ties is because I took off the factory clips that hold my side panel on, and I think the zip ties secure things a little bit better than the flimsy factory clip. So I'm going to go ahead and roll this girl back in the garage, plug it in, and let her recharge the battery. And I'm going to go do the same. I'm going to go recharge my batteries. Until next time, guys, ride safe.